The first Contra for 20. PYT 22 of Obsidian. First off the line.
Let's go.
We're doing it. This stuff is loaded. If you're just joining us, this stuff is loaded. We're going to take a brief intermission because select FOTL 20, like an intermission from this stuff. I know this is how I'm always panicked.
What?
A brief intermission. It's going to be select FOTL for a break. Select FOTL is hitting. Turns out the top two FOTLs are back-to-back Mondays. It's the craziest thing we've ever seen. Contras aren't guaranteed, but some breaks we are seeing 2 Contras, 4 Contras. The big chase in this are the Contra RPAs. The Contra RPAs to 3. We've hit a lot of them. Good luck. This stuff is loaded. We're going up to at least number 30 today. Take up to at least number 30. At least. At least. All right, let's start seeing. We've had breaks with 3 or 4 top tiers. Let's go back to that for the people buying the top tiers. Let's do that. Let's do that. Kevin, Isaiah, B.I. We have Isaiah Mobley for the Cavs. You like a cheap team? This guy's coming out, plus you have the exclusive guys. To 25 is Zebo. I think this card's numbered to 10. It's a cool piece. Looks like it's a Shaq on Orlando. It is to 10. Yellow to 10. 9 of 10. Nice piece. Then we have Ayo for the Bulls. That's the 16. Ortiz. There's Ortiz with the PC piece. Contra. Contra on the back. Ooh, and a good one on the front. Keegan. To 16 of Jabari! Jabari! Then we have Campaign for the Suns. To 149. I see a Zion Orange Tunnel for the Pelicans. You like hitting? Take the Pelicans. Contra to 3. Is Wesley. That might be our second Wesley we've hit. The Spurs hit like crazy in this. 2 of 3. Aslamovich. Nice start to the break. Very nice. All right, I'm stepping up my game. You got it. You got it. To 27 of Chet for the Thunder. Aslamovich. Nice piece. Nice piece, Ash. Very nice piece. We're proud.
Super proud.
To 25. It's Gafford. Wizards. Then we have purple orbital of Matherin. To 75, and then we have Scary Terry, Hornets. Guys, this is the stuff. This is what this stuff is. This is a proper representation, not the last 2. It's not flying because of those last 2. It's flying because of stuff like this. Sohan, Horford, Bogdanovich, redemption. It's Nemhard for the Pacers. Paschke. To 75, it's Landry for the Kings. There's Shea Gilgeous, purple orbital. And then Franz. 16 for the Magic. Take all your futures, guys. They're all going. These are all going. This stuff is insane. They're all going. All right, guess the last exclusive of the break. The last. The back of the pack for 16. Paolo rookie. Garland. Wendell. Etch blue. What are these odds? Nemhard again for Paschke. It's the second time we've hit 2 in a row. What are these odds? Does anyone know these odds? Craziness. To 149. Mo Bamba. Orbital. Matherin. Pacers. And here's a nice Giddy for the Thunder. 5 of 16. Last box. Nice break. Let's end with a really nice one. Let's end with one more. Ooh. Ooh. That's a new. We have a new. DeJounte. Keldon. Contra RPA. 1 of 3 of Hardy. Nazi Naz. We hit the horizontal of this. Now we have the vertical. That goes to Naz. Naz the genius. Then we have to 149. Santi Aldama. This is a proper representation. Laurie Green. And a Ja. Pickle. I said Pickle. 14 to 16. Pickle. That's a break. That was a sick break top to bottom. That's a sick, disgusting break top to bottom. Recap it. We're proud of it. That's a proper, that should trigger the attackers. That should trigger the attackers. The attackers need, yeah, that's the product. Take them all, guys. They didn't make much of this. It's like our 10th Contra RPA tag. Nice Shaq to 10. Barty. Very nice Barty Bob. Bunch of Contras that break. Paschke with a couple Nemhards. Giddy, we'll throw it in. Hardy's going to beyond beat. And then Chet. Crazy that we hit these 3 in one break. 6 boxes. Barty, Hardy, and Chet. A lot of people like Hardy. I haven't seen him play.